strong Olympians for
That's
Hera.
right. Time check, it's already 4:13 in the morning. We still have a lot of time later.
Later. Para sa ating post-run festivities, meron tayong raffle draw, meron
That's right.
tayong ibang games, and obviously our awarding ceremony,
That's
and
right.
so on.
And I can see a lot of phones here, di ba? Huwag niyo kalimutan itag ha. Itag
Yeah.
niyo si partner Eric. And of course, RSRJ Events Management. You can check their photos there. Walang bayad.
Walang bayad. After around what, 24 to 48 hours.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, give or take.
Yep. Dami niyo, grabe.
Final 35 seconds.
35
Ayan, I'm
seconds.
so excited for you guys. 10
Are you
hours.
guys ready?
We're gonna be doing the countdown in about 15 seconds from 10 to 1. Sabay-sabay tayo.
Come on, talon-talon na, talon-talon.
Okay.
Ganyan yan eh.
Boxer shuffle,
Sa
let's
mga
go.
competitive brother, ganyan yan. Tatalon-talon.
Nice.
Come on,
5
I be
seconds na,
yourself.
5
Let's go,
seconds.
guys.
Let's do it. In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
and
1.
Okay na lang. Ay, hindi na po. Yan ang medal ko. 56 minutes.
Nabidyo mo ba ako? Oo. Nabidyo mo ako? Oo nga, putang na tuwing ito din ako. Ikaw ba? Ay, hindi kita na ano.
Hindi ko maalam kung pangilan ako. Pero 56 minutes ko. Yay! Takas yung world balance. Oh, naka-register ka na? Hindi pa nagsapatos. Wala na. Nasaan na ba sila? Hinahanap namin yung mga kasamahan namin.
After few weeks or after this day, hindi ko alam kung magkano, baka mag-solo pa. Can you start singing? Nandiyan lang, nainom lang yung si partner. But now, take this time.
Ano ba? Ayun.
Pila ako sa taho.
Who else? Sir. Okay? Sino pa? Dapat na babae na tayo. Limang babae. So,
Si Mother.
three more men. 2 more men. 2 more gentlemen.
Si Mother po gusto sumali.
Oros Running Club.
peritoneal dialysis, at meron din po kami members ng mga kidney transplantation.
Uwi, anak!
Binago, sinasabi namin parang or sa mga kapwa akong patient relatives kasi sabi nga namin
Who are supporting us, the dialysis PH to spread the awareness.
gusto po ng group namin na i-promote
Uwi
na
na
kahit po
kami,
may ganitong
tanghali
sakit,
na.
meron pa rin po magagawa ang mga patient. Katulad po namin sa dialysis PH, pinapromote po namin yung awareness and prevention tungkol sa chronic
Ano yung
kidney disease.
pinipilahan pa yan,
Na
ay?
kahit po may ganito kaming karamdaman, nakakapag-contribute pa rin kami sa community natin.
Kasi
Sa
ito may
pamamagitan ng pagtulong sa kapwa.
So, with the help of the Alliance,
May picture kami doon sa
naintindihan namin
ano,
na family as a whole
Number
na
one.
this dialysis is a long, it's a lifetime. It's a lifetime care. It's a lifetime commitment between you and the family and also the patient. Ito rin yung time na pinaka-challenging sa lahat. Kasi it's just the family or the patient ang may hirapan, but the whole family itself.